welcome to Wheatzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're gonna make some things. Today, I'll do my best to show you how to make woodpecker feeders with suet and make the suet last longer, at least through the winter anyway. So let's see what we can do. Well, welcome back to the channel. Excuse me. We got a decent morning this morning. It rained a little bit, so I better get at this as quick as I can. I got a little trick for suet, you guys that feed woodpeckers or any other birds. I just found a good way to make this last a lot longer, and we manufactured some woodpecker feeders, or I did. So let me go through the steps and I'll show you some tricks. This is what I have. I just took some small rounds. These are about 18, 20 inches long. And then I took a Forstner bit and just drilled some 2-inch, 2.5-inch, however big you want, holes in the side in random spaces. So, and then I keep them up high. So the reason being is because the woodpeckers use their tail to stabilize up against the tree. So I give them a nice natural, ability or a natural habitat to feed on. And then the top is just a stainless steel hook with a thread. So you could just screw it in the top. I pre-drill it so it doesn't split, and then you can hang them wherever you want to. So let's look at how I fill these up. All right, first things first, I like to use plastic gloves. They're the suet is of all types, I guess. It's animal fats and stuff that are in there. So plus it just probably helps with the birds. But around here they're pretty used to me, so I don't think they mind a little human scent. But so I keep these at room temperature until I'm ready to feed. So I'll just put them in the house in the closet. And the best thing to do for these size holes is just to break off one corner and then just start shoving that in there. So, and it breaks apart really nice. And then you need to pack it in really tough. And then get it as flush to the surface as you can on the hole. And then we're done. So it just takes a few seconds, and I can go a little bit more here. And if it sticks over a little bit, that's okay, because the stuff that falls to the ground will be eaten by the other little birds that scavenge it up. So there's one, and you can see it's kind of flush. We'll do another hole here, and then the secret again is keep it at room temperature. If you try to shove this in here when it's cold, or if you store it outside in the garage during the winter, it doesn't work as good because it gets pretty non-pliable, I guess you would say. So, all right, let's finish this one, and we'll go through the magic of video, and they'll all be done. That they're all filled up, one of the things I like to do is hang them as high as I can reach, but low enough to where the woodpeckers are exposed so we can see them, because we like to watch them eat this stuff. So let's, usually I just put the hook right there, and then the other side, which they don't seem to mind too much that they're this close, but certain species go to certain ones. So we'll see a lot of downies and hairies on this one, and then the one that I put alone, I'll see a lot of the pileatids, and the flickers don't care. They go to each one, but they don't get too territorial. They share a little bit, but it's just kind of fun to watch them. And you can see there's bird poop all over this, so they've been coming down here and eating on these for a while. So let's hang them up and see if we can get some video.
12 seconds later.